All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at TUDIA have a brand new series, and this is called the DualShield Grip series with them. It's designed specifically for the Pixel 6a, and I have the colors here, and I'm going to go ahead and put these on the device for you one by one so you can check them out. So obviously here's my Pixel 6a right here, and we're gonna go ahead and put on this black one here. But before we do so, this is kind of like a beautiful upgrade to the Merge series, if you will. It's a two-piece, as you can see, but you don't really need to take it apart, I would say. But it is a two-piece case, and it's got lots of grip on the back. You can see the cutout bar here for the Pixel 6a. You got your power and volume here. Nothing on this side. Make sure it has that microphone cutout on the top there, folks. We're going to need that. And then you've got your ports on the bottom. And the interior is going to feel, if you've never felt the Merge before, this is what it feels like on the inside, but the outside is like an upgraded grip altogether. So let's pop this on. Oh man, that is a beautiful, beautiful sight. That is beautiful. And it's gonna look even better with all these different colors on here. So here it is, man. You've got lots of lip protection on here. This is absolutely fantastic. This is what this phone needed. All phones need some form of grip. So you go for the power button there. Volume rockers, nice tight fit on there, no accidental presses will happen there. And again, just that lip on there is going to be so nice for drop protection. So this is what the black one looks like. Let's try on the blue. Now this is a combination of blue and black, obviously. This has black along the front and the sides here, but then when you flip it over, you get this beautiful blue color. And if you don't know, this is one of their new colors, blue. They recently released this color here for some of the other cases that they have. And this blue color is absolutely fantastic on this device. This device now is complete for me. It has a nice, beautiful case on it, a nice, good case that's not too bulky, but still gets some drop protection. And this is easily a good one you can rock every day. And with all the different colors, depending on what you're wearing and how you feel, you can go all in. Let's check out this green. So if you have a Sage Pixel 6a, I think you're gonna love this. And even if you didn't get the Sage, you now pretty much you're rocking with a Sage. I like this has the front border around it. Really sleek, really sexy. And again, just because of the size of this device, this is what makes this device hot. This is really nice. I'm really digging this color right here. I didn't know how I feel about this, but this is actually a really beautiful color right here in person. It reminds me of the Pixel 5's green, just a tad bit lighter. And obviously this is a matte case and it's got this big old sheet of grip on the back right here. It is textured, so you should have no problem toting this around, man. This is gonna be really nice. Now, let's go for the ladies. I think the ladies will love this one. This is kind of like a magenta and pink looking case because you got the two-tone right here working. So this is really sleek. Ladies, and some fellas, I guess, if you feel comfortable wearing this. I don't have any clothes in my closet that's gonna match this more than likely, but still, this is a good, beautiful combination. I'm confident in myself to rock this. I just probably wouldn't as my first choice, but there it is right there. You've got all these beautiful colors. Now, let me show you how it actually comes to you in the packaging because I have one more color, and it's this beautiful gray color. Oh, this is so beautiful. Yes, I saved it. So obviously it comes in the standard packaging here. You can open it right here, or you can rip it right there. Either way, which way you want to do it. Boom. There is the last color I want to show you. Oh, now if you have this color phone that I have, you're probably gonna really like this color with it. I mean, look at just the colors clashing together. Just, oh yes. This is the one, folks. This is so beautiful. This is beautiful. I like all the colors. Don't get me wrong. I love them all. But wow, this gray color, because I have the white phone. But you know, in reality, it covers the entire phone. So it really doesn't matter which color phone you have. It's going to cover it up. Something about this gray though, it's really nice. So it's your man Jay. Man, shout out to TUDIA for letting me showcase their brand new series here, man. This is one beautiful case in person. The Pixel 6a is getting a lot of love, and right now it's just hot, you know. So if you want to grab this case, I have a link down below so you can pick it up. $14.99 or $14. You can have this case. All the colors, same price. Just pick one, put it in your cart, and pay for it, and you'll be on your way. But anyway, it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Shout out to TUDIA for hooking. This is just a beautiful thing right here. It's beautiful.